This is what my loungewear looks like.
Hey guys, my name is Jasmine. If you guys are new here or a returning viewer, definitely support your girl and continue watching this video. Today's video, we are going to be opening up and reviewing a Fashion Nova lounge set. I'm so excited to actually record this video because of two things. First of all, I literally had this package for almost a week. Oh wait, actually it has been a week. It's been a week. I got it last Friday and I want to say I ordered it maybe 2 weeks ago. I mean, obviously I guess, but it came, really fast. And then the second reason is because I actually got us a full-size mirror from Target. So I'm so excited about that. So now I get to record in my room and you guys get to see like how it looks, and then just, I don't know, the decor in there just looks so good. But anyways, so we're gonna kind of get right into it. I probably will put down some time slots down below in case you want to specifically see me unbox it, or if you want to just specifically see me review it. It will be a short video, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I said on Friday of last week, and so it came like this. Like I said, I got the lounge set, so I want to say I got it in the nude color. So yeah, so we're just gonna unbox it really quickly. But I hope everybody's been well, and I'm just chilling. I am off this Friday. I have to work tomorrow, so yeah. And the thing is, I almost forgot, I probably would need to go ahead and actually review this and make sure that it actually fits me, because I think my best friend told me that it actually has a return policy, like maybe 14 days. So I'm like, so yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I've been looking at this for like freaking ever. I want to say I got it for like dang, how much did I get it? It was 40% off. Basically, it was like $79.99, $80 basically. It was 40% off. So yeah, maybe like 30-ish, $40 or so. Girl, I don't know. It's so, ooh. It says, have you downloaded the Fashion Nova app? Okay, they're getting creative, like, okay. So they kind of give you this. Let me show you. And I got it in the extra small, and this is the color. It's tightly packed for show. Y'all, I'm so hyped. Like literally, I just had it sitting there. Just like my other stuff. I had bought a Nike shirt. It's a long sleeve Nike shirt, and then I also got a like an Express Sherpa, like like sweater or something like that, and it's purple. It's so fuzzy. It looks so cute. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about, y'all. I've been waiting to talk to you guys, so yeah. Oh my gosh, excited. So all right, so I'm going to I'm going to be right back. I'm going to meet you in my room, and I'm gonna have the clothes on so we can kind of see what we like. Okay. Bye. I'll see you in a few.
I'm always flexing.
guys, this is what my loungewear looks like. As you notice, it is very long on me. As a disclaimer, I am 5 feet, literally to be exact. So that's just something I would just keep in mind. I'm definitely going to get these tailored so your girl can wear this out. I don't care. I probably would wear this out, or you know, just chill around the house with your boo, whatever, Netflix and chill. But I still think this is very cute. First of all, you guys, when I literally walked, when I literally got this package, when I literally like opened up the bag, it was very heavy. Like this piece was very, very heavy, and then even like the pants. So I think honestly, even if you spent, I want to say like $80 on a regular day, or if you chose the 40% off, because I want to say they still are extending it or whatever, you would literally be able to, you know, get your money's worth, you know, in my opinion. So I think it's a great investment. It's so soft. I think this looks really good with my skin. I'm sorry, I'm just so in love with this, you guys. Like, but yeah, this is the mirror, y'all, I wanted to show you. But yeah, I'm sorry, I'm getting off track. But yeah, it's super soft. This, honestly, I would just be mindful, because if you have small boobs like me, this is going to open, like, no ifs, ands, and buts about it. So just, you know, gotta be mindful of that. But this is so cute, you guys. I think this is so freaking soft. And like I said, I'm gonna get this like tailored, because like, yeah. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. What you think? You think this looks good on me? Because I do. But yeah, you can wear this out. Like I said, you can tug it up if you want to. You can tug it down like how I have it. I kind of want to show my belly button ring off, to be honest. But this is so cute. Like, I have no, you know, bad things about it. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. So yeah. But anyways, yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I ended up getting a freaking coupon. I almost threw it away. It's a 25% off, and then they do have this item, like I said, in an extra small. The color is ivory, and then yeah, I bought it for $48. So it was the 40% off, like I was talking about beforehand. Anyways, you guys, that wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy my unboxing / review. I am super in love with it. It's so soft. The color is so cute for me. Like I said, I just got to get it altered, and then your girl is going to be looking good, okay? Period. But yeah, don't forget to stay tuned for my next video. I might end up doing something special for you guys. I've already done it before, but we're going to revisit this because I've been getting some questions about it, so might as well. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later, and yeah, stay fierce and stay positive.
I'm always flexing.